alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Today is our activity, that is outdoor activity. A wonderful activity is going on. First the highway, then generator and canteen and water storage and masjid. And now we are here at our computer lab, and the renowned personality Yunus Nadwi, he is going to talk about the importance of computer, for what purpose we have to learn it, how to operate. And it is the need of all the offices and even the shopkeepers, and all they need the computer. Now we are going to listen Yunus Nadwi about importance of computer. Please.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulil ameen, Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een, amma ba'd. قال الله تبارك وتعالى في كلامه المجيد: أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وعلم آدم الأسماء كلها صدق الله العظيم. My dear teacher and my dear friends, how are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. Today I'm here to talk about computer. So what the computer is? Computer is a machine which manipulates a data according to a list of instructions, which makes it an ideal example of a data processing system. This definition is true for most of today's computers, based on von Neumann's concept, which it doesn't cover some more progressing concepts like neural networks, which don't have any list of instructions, for example. So we can also define the computer as a machine which automatically processes the information. This definition seems to be less praise, but it's closer to the main reason for building the computers. The English word computer means calculate, count, etc. In fact, computer can also manage a data in other ways. So my dears, computer is an essential part of modern era and lives in today's world of science and technology. Computer is used in almost all fields and sectors and across the people of all age groups for serving various needs and purposes. So computers play a crucial role in people's day-to-day activities, studying, gathering information, doing research, or completing any work on task. Computer is necessary for those who know the knowledge. As you know better than me and very well, our teacher Maulana Abdul Haq Saab, may Allah grant him a long life and success him. He is every field. Teaches us by the project. Project is how much necessary for us, how much important and how much essential for us. But because our teacher teaches us by the project, and project connected with the laptop, and laptop is also like a computer, and teachers need a computer, students need computer, principal need computer, engineers need computer, and doctors need computer. Inshallah, I have more example to prove the computer is necessary. So my dears, as you know, our principal Maulana Irfan Saab Kasmi, he has more responsibilities. If he has a computer, he will manage his all things and control on his responsibilities according to the madrasa and school, list of students and payments of teachers and prayers, etc. So my dears, as you told, engineers and doctors are also need a computer. I will give example how doctor need a computers. So computers are often used to control the medical equipment that performs important medical exams such as ultrasound, CT scan, MRLs, and blood test, etc. Additionally, doctors use the computer to show their results and explain condition and treatment. And how computer is necessary for engineers. So my dears, my bro Muzammil, for example, my bro Muzammil, he wants to build a wonderful and beautiful home. Then he needs a engineer. He brings the engineer, and engineer can't can't make build any home without computer, because computer is necessary for engineer, and home also need a computer. So my dears, last, if anyone among you all he wants to write a book in any language, if he has a computer, definitely he will read in any language he wants. So I conclude my speech, thanking you all for listening to me. Thank you so much and have a nice day.